USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram channel and get some free signals every now and then. So go and join Telegram, check out the prop firm and the brokers right here. Sign up with these brokers if you are going to trade with my signals, just to have the separate data. I don't want you to mix my trading signals with somebody else. So separate broker account for my signals if and when you will be trading with my Telegram signals in the future. So do all of that, subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to the chart, starting with the weekly time frame in the top-down approach. So first of all, not many people trade USDCHF, okay? If you want to trade USD pairs, there are too many options. You can trade Euro, GBP, AUD and all of that, okay? So USDCHF, not many people trade, but still I can do the analysis. So weekly, what do we have in weekly? We are down, okay? But still we are towards the uptrend. So this low is never broken. So this low was the last low which never had been broken. Uptrend, pullback, we should go up again. But weekly doesn't really move so fast, okay? So let's come back to daily. In daily, what do we have? USD, CHF, both are strong currencies. USD is strong, CHF is strong. So there will not be much movement, okay? But right now, as you can see here, this low is not broken. Then then this blue candle has eaten this previous red candle. Then pull back, then we're going up again, okay? So more likely look for longs in this USD, CHF for now. But again, not many people will enter. I will not personally trade USD, CHF. I have other pairs to trade, okay? Coming back to 4 hour, when to enter. So when shall we enter? We are above the EMA already, okay? But this high is not broken, right? So this previous high, if I use my line right here, is not broken yet. Okay, it's not broken yet. And then we have two red candles crossing below the EMA. Now we will go short as soon this blue candle is eaten by another red candle. That's when you enter short in USDCHF. This is in 4 hour, okay? So I think this merely could be the continuation of the downtrend, or it could be the continuation of the uptrend. Two possibilities always, buy or sell, right? So either we buy or either we sell. So two possibilities here. Either it will be the continuation of the uptrend, in which case this is a pullback. So if we consider this as an uptrend, then our pullback will be maybe until this 50% or this is 60%. I'm expecting this pullback to go to 60% until 8195. So if you now go short in USDCHF, you can take a profit. Your first profits at 8195, okay? And then if it turns out to be a pullback, then from here it will give you a blue candle, and then that blue candle will carry on going long. That's scenario 1, okay? Otherwise, in scenario 2, it will continue going down as you understand the trend is down, okay? So no rocket science here. Keep an eye in 4 hour. In 4 hour, if another red candle eats this blue candle, then take your first profit at 8195, and then let's see if the trend continues to go down. Otherwise, that might turn into a pullback, and then we have a red. Then we will have a blue candle, which will continue going up. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Otherwise, you can trade so many other pairs. So if you like what you see, subscribe, share the video, and join Telegram and sign up with the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.